We'll explain where the radiator fan resistor is located, and we'll talk what it's for and why it's so important for your car. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having Dodge Challenger, and if you guys need to see where the radiator fan resistor is located because your Dodge Challenger is overheating or fan is not working correctly, we'll explain that in this video today, how to remove it, how to replace it, where it's located, and we will talk about how you can even test radiator fan resistor, so make sure to stay until the end and we'll talk about that in this video today. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Challenger or any car you want to save quite a bit of money, get them at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So what do we have here specifically? 2018 Dodge Challenger guys that we have right here, and doesn't matter if you have a V6, V8, all of them are about the same, or they should be. And if you come on this side right here guys, okay, this is your radiator fan. Now when working on the radiator fan or components, never ever work on it when the car battery is connected, because if that fan turns on you will lose your fingers or hands. Always disconnect the car battery. On these modern cars it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn the engine computer modules, and that can cost you thousands and thousands of dollars guys. How we know that? Because we did that simple mistake one time on a Mercedes and we burned the airbag module. So it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect. We'll put a link in the description of the video below, but you can find the video on our channel actually which battery terminal to disconnect first. And this right here is the radiator fan. If you look on that radiator fan, okay, you have one device that's known as the radiator fan resistor, but you wonder, how do I disconnect that thing? Now on this side it's easy, right? Grab that connector and first push it in to release the pressure. Now press down here. Okay, 1 second. Can we hold the camera like that? Perfect, so I can grab it a little bit stronger. Okay, because that's a big connector. We'll pull it out. Now, on the bottom guys, there is one more place that it needs to disconnect from the motor. That connector right here, we pull like that and we pull it out. Now, the wire comes out. Check it out. Right here, we have only one 10mm bolt that we need to remove. Okay, we'll come on this side now. Let's see. 1 second. Make sure that I don't drop the microphone. You can hear me clearly. 10mm, and we're going to go ahead and remove that bolt now. So it's either probably a screw because it's plastic. So let's see. It might be a bolt, depending on what's on the inside. Screw. Yep. Or bolt. Still can't. Oh, it's a screw. If you pull it out like that, that's your radiator fan resistor out of here. If you want to know what is a radiator fan resistor, what it's for, we have a special video that will talk about that in details. It will talk about how you can test the radiator fan resistor as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.